Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my DS. I just got a DS, so it's not a DSi, so I don't have that much games, but still, I'm going to show you. I have some really cool games. Okay, so my DS, it's a black case, it says Icon. My DS is coral pink. Now I'm going to show you the games. Okay, so my first game was a light penguin, Club Penguin, and I got it for Christmas, but I didn't have a DS there yet, but I was just saving up my, well, I just got it for Christmas, and I was just buying games, and then I knew I would get a DS soon, so when I got a DS, I'd have a lot of games. And so Club Penguin is really fun. You get to dress up the penguin, like, and you go on missions and stuff, and then there's tons of games and stuff. So that was my first one. Then it's Mario Kart. So, Mario Kart, you just get to race and stuff, and then you can go on Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi connection is that you can play with people around the world. Like right now, I live in Canada, and I can play with people like in China or something. Then my next was Pokemon Platinum. And yes, of course, I am a Pokemon fan, so why wouldn't I have Pokemon games? And Pokemon Platinum is an awesome game. At first, you get to start your journey with a friend, and then you choose a Pokemon, they choose a Pokemon, and then you just go and solve missions and stuff. So yeah, that's a real cool game. Then I have Brain Age 2. It's really fun. There's tons of cool games and stuff. And there's this guy. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, whatever. And my last game is Pokemon Ranger Shadows of Almia. This is the new one. And there's Cresselia, and Heatran, and Darkrai, and Lucario. So at first you go to Ranger School, and then you get and then when you pass it, your Ranger School, you go on Ranger missions, and then you get to save Pokemon and save people, and then these three Pokemon, like Cresselia, Heatran, and Lucario, they actually are the keepers of the gem, of the 3 gems. At first, Lucario is the snow gem. I don't know why, but well. And then Heatran is the red gem. Yeah, Lucario is the blue. And then Cresselia is the yellow one. So that's really fun. Yeah. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.